Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet potato fries. The ingredients that we're going to need today are olive oil, 3 tablespoons of butter melted, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and our sweet potatoes. Okay guys, I had washed and peeled my sweet potatoes, and all I did was cut them into french fries. Okay, next you want to put them into a bowl. We're going to pour our melted butter over top. We're also going to add in some cinnamon, a little ground nutmeg, and I'm going to add in our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil. That's olive oil. And we're just going to go ahead and mix until well combined. Okay guys, once everything is nicely combined, I'm going to move over to the stove where I have a cast iron skillet. Okay guys, I have my skillet heating up, so all I'm going to do now is put the remainder of the olive oil in. We're going to let that heat up. Once that's reaching temperature, we're going to go ahead and put our sweet potato fries in. Now all we're going to do is cover them up, and we're going to put them in our oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our sweet potato fries. They're nice and tender. They're not too sweet. They're seasoned just right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.